Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Alexa to your home theater lighting with Nanoleaf. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Alexa to your home theater lighting with Nanoleaf, follow these steps. Start by ensuring your Nanoleaf lights are set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Nanoleaf app on your smartphone. Log into your Nanoleaf account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, tap on the Devices tab to see your connected lights. Choose the specific Nanoleaf device you want to link with Alexa. In the device settings, look for the option labeled Integrations. Find and select the Amazon Alexa integration option. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable the Alexa skill for Nanoleaf. You may be prompted to log into your Amazon account. Once logged in, authorize the Nanoleaf skill to access your devices. After linking your accounts, exit the Nanoleaf app and open the Amazon Alexa app. In the Alexa app, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right. Select that Add Device option from the menu. Choose Light and then select Nanoleaf from the list of brands. Alexa will search for available Nanoleaf devices. Once discovered, select the Nanoleaf lights you want to control with Alexa. Assign these lights to a specific group if desired for easier management. After setting this up, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. You can now give commands to Alexa, like turn on the Nanoleaf lights or set the Nanoleaf lights to movie mode. Explore additional commands to control brightness and colors for your home theater. Test the integration by trying out various voice commands. Your Nanoleaf lights should respond to your Alexa commands seamlessly. Enjoy your enhanced home theater lighting experience with Nanoleaf and Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.